everyone, it's become very clear that AI is changing the learning landscape for instructors and students. And one thing that is excruciatingly clear is that students really don't understand the difference between using AI appropriately and inappropriately. One solution I'm hearing from instructors is explicitly teaching academic integrity and appropriate AI use through interactive student discussions. By engaging students in collaborative discussions, educators can shift the focus now from just policing behavior to fostering an ethical learning community where students internalize why integrity in academics matters. And guess what? Like we all know, Lucid is a great place to facilitate engaging, impactful discussions. And like always, let's take a second to walk through our template. Students start by collectively defining and analyzing the importance of academic integrity. This starts to shift the student's perspective from simple compliance to ownership and understanding. Then let's move beyond abstract concepts to real-world application with an academic integrity sort. Now that students have deepened their understanding of academic integrity in general, it's time to apply that understanding specifically to AI by discussing how has AI impacted academic integrity, examples of inappropriate AI use, and examples of appropriate AI use. Now that students have had some great intro discussions, it's time to dig deeper into real-life examples with a critical eye. Start by dividing students into groups to analyze and discuss a variety of common scenarios, and then we can come back whole group to discuss them. And lastly, it wouldn't be a full lesson without personal reflection and planning for real-world application. Thanks for sticking around, and don't forget to grab your own copy of the template in the comments below.